Did you know that the Seiseralm stretches over 56 square kilometers, making it the largest high-altitude alpine meadow in Europe? Welcome to the Seiseralm, Europe's largest high-altitude alpine meadow, transformed into a magical winter wonderland. Surrounded by the towering peaks of the Dolomites, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Seiseralm offers some of the most stunning winter landscapes in the world. Snow-covered meadows stretch endlessly under clear blue skies, while golden light bathes the mountains at sunrise and sunset. With over 60 kilometers of perfectly groomed slopes, Seiseralm is a paradise for skiers and snowboarders of all levels. Glide down wide, scenic runs with breathtaking views of rugged peaks and untouched forests. Or explore over 80 kilometers of scenic cross-country skiing trails, weaving through silent pine forests and open fields blanketed in fresh powder. Winter hiking and snowshoeing let you experience the magic of nature up close. Walk through pristine, snow-covered trails, breathe in the crisp mountain air, and feel the peace of this untouched winter wonderland. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, Seiseralm in winter is an unforgettable experience, a place where nature's beauty takes your breath away.